In this video, we're going to show you how you can customize the touchscreen interface for your Crestron smart home to your liking. Let's click the Crestron Pyng app to get started. First, press the menu button, the little double line in the lower left corner. Out pops the menu. Now, press Settings or the little gear icon. If your Crestron dealer has set up a password for you, enter it and then press OK. You can see all the different settings categories down the left side, and the settings themselves are on the right. Let's go through these briefly. For room, I can sort alphabetically, or not. I can hide or show individual rooms. Maybe I only want to see rooms that are immediately around me. Or maybe it's a kid's room, and I don't want them to have access to the master bedroom. I can simply uncheck the rooms that I don't want them to have access to. The other important concept to understand here is groups and rooms. The items with folders are groups. For example, within the second floor, I have the list of rooms on the right. Let's say I want to turn off access to my kids' rooms for this particular touchscreen. So we can do that. And now we're only going to see rooms that have check marks on them. You can also reorder rooms here, so the ones you access most often appear first. Just press and hold on the room, and then drag and drop to change the order. This is where you can hide and show subsystems or features of your home. For example, maybe in my kitchen I don't ever use a security system, so we can disable that. Let's say I frequently use media from the kitchen. Using drag and drop, I can move it to the top for quick access. Quick actions is the same concept. You can hide and show individual quick actions that were set up for you, and press and hold to change the order. Now let's say we want to customize the look and feel of the touchscreen itself. Press Wallpaper, and now we see all the built-in images of wallpapers that we can choose from. Press on a different image, and you can see the background changes to give us a preview. To accept the new background, press the X. If I want to see or not see weather on the home screen, I can do that from here too, as well as security system alerts. That's it.